Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to apply dark mode on Google using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are two ways to do this, okay? So the first way to do this is just go ahead and open your Google Chrome. And now, click on the Customize Chrome at the lower right corner of your screen. And now click on color and theme. And now just go ahead and choose block. Click on done. And now as you can see, the theme of your Google Chrome is now dark, right? So let me just switch it back to the light mode. Okay. So that is the first way to do it. So the second way to do it is again go ahead and open your Google Chrome and search for Chrome, sorry, Chrome colon slash flags. Okay, so just go ahead and search that, but there's a warning. Okay, so experimental features ahead. By enabling these features, you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Enabled features apply to all users of this browser. If you are an enterprise admin, you should not be using these plugs in production. Okay? So, if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on the search bar at the upper part of your screen and search for dark. And here you can see the auto dark mode for web contents. So now just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and click on enable. Okay? So now just go ahead and click on relaunch at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you just need to wait. And now as you can see, your Google Chrome is now on dark mode. Okay? And that is how you apply dark mode on Google. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.